What up, though, 313 squad? It's your girl, 313 Retro Queen, and I'm back with this video with this women's exclusive. And I figure, you know what I'm saying? Like, you got people doing these reviews of these sneakers all over the place. They got them early, just like your girl did, but I had to wait because I got somebody who hit me up in my DM, had the early access to it, and was like, yo, my wife don't want these. You could, I don't want access to go to waste, so do you want them? Got them. So, and I am talking about none other than the Air Jordan 1 Silver Toe women's exclusive. And I just figured, with everybody dropping their own videos and stuff, I'd give you a review from the perspective of a woman, the ones that the shoes were actually made for. Yeah. So, anyway, before we jump off into the review, y'all know what to do. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you for coming back and checking out this video. Also, hit the notification bell. That way you know when I'm dropping a video. I can't believe that, for real, today, this is like the second video I'm dropping today. It's Friday. It is the actual release day of the Silver Toe Air Jordan 1. So, like I said, subscribe, notification, and you can do that also for my boys, McFly, KOF, PM Kicks, and E-Money Shoes. Go subscribe to them too. Go ahead. Be right back. All right. So here they are. I have them right here. The Air Jordan 1 Silver Toe. Yes, I do. This is the sneaker. This one has the lace bag on it. So I'm going to just flip it on the inside of the shoe so y'all can see that. Here it is. See that? That is a beautiful shoe. I love this shoe. I actually wanted, if y'all remember, there was a mid that dropped. It was like the disco ball or whatever. And it was like completely silver, the whole shoe. And it had like it reminds you of a disco ball. And I really wanted those and I struck out on those. I missed those. But these kind of remind me of that. But you check it out. I really, really love this color pattern on this one. See that silver toe? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Look at it. It's gleaming in the light and stuff. I have a little, I don't know if you want to call it a crease or a mark. Like, it's not a scratch. It's just in the sneaker. I don't know. I don't know if you call it a crease or what, but it's not an actual scratch. It's actually a little raised in the leather. I don't know if it's part of the tumble or whatever, but I ain't complaining because you know what I'm saying? Like, I think this is a very dope shoe. I don't know about y'all, but on my ones, even if I were to buy an Air Force One, I need to have my outsole a color other than white if my midsole is white. I don't really care for it at all. I very rarely buy a shoe. I honestly don't even think I have any with a white midsole and a white outsole. But I tend to not like it very much. Just too much white for me, I guess, on the sneaker. But I will tell you this. The leather on here is super nice. Like, I do love the leather on here. It's soft. So, it's not as rugged as some of the leather that we get on different sneakers and Jordans and stuff. So, I appreciate that. But just looking at it from the back, look how shiny it is. It's so cute. Like, and I can say that because this is a women's shoe. So, I can literally say that this is an adorable, cute shoe. So, I mean, fellas, if y'all don't like the fact that I'm calling it adorable and cute, then I don't know what to tell you because it's a women's exclusive and I could do that. But yeah, man, I just wanted to come on here real quick, jump on here, tell you how much I love this shoe. I love that they have the black tongue on here. I love that it's offset by this white Nike Air on the tongue tag. Man, these bad boys are dope. I'm gonna give y'all another look at the I'm gonna give y'all a look at the other shoe as well. I know a lot of people are comparing these, okay, to the gold toe ones. And aside from there being the obvious difference of these being leather and those being patent leather, They are really similar to each other, except for the middle. And then we got this leather hang tag, which I love it when I get hang tags on my shoes. Like I said, I wear GS, and like with 4s and things like that that normally come with the hang tag for the men's shoes, they don't for GS. And just like with Air Max 90s and things like that, where you would get a hang tag if you bought a men's shoe, you don't get that with a GS shoe. Which I understand, you know, because the shoe is actually made for children, but some of us grown people just never made it to the point of where our feet decided to grow to grown-up age size shoes. Whatchamajigget, talking over my tongue, thingamabobbits. So yeah, so you know, my feet stopped growing around the 5th grade. I can't help that. So there's the other shoe with the little hang tag on there, embossed Nike swoosh and air. Love it, love it. What else? The Lucky Greens also came with one of these too. So just for shits and giggles, here is the gold toe. You know what? Let's see if we can flip this in here. I'll put this tag on the inside and show y'all the gold toe ones. How dope is that? So, I mean, like I'm geeking off having both of these. But also one of the main differences is the medial side of this one is just like the lateral. The medial side of this one is opposite of the other one. You see, obviously has the gold swoosh on this side with all the black patent leather over here, and then you have the black swoosh with the white patent leather underneath the swoosh on that side. But if you're looking at them from this angle, then I get why people were saying like, oh look, there is the silver toe, it's the silver toe, it's the gold toe, they're just alike. I get it, I feel you. And yeah, they're pretty dope. So let me know what you think. Did you get this? Were you able to cop this? Did you get it early? Did you get it on release day? You want a raffle? You know, what's up with that? Do you have these as well? Do you think these are like could you call these a pair, like a set? I mean, I guess not a pair, but a set, now that you have it. So yeah, man, I think Nike really did, or JB brand really did great on these. I can't be mad at them for that. I do wish that they would love me a little more and give me early access again, because I never get that anymore. But it's cool, you know, I do what I do to get my kicks, and I appreciate everyone who has helped me, assist me in getting my pairs, because I do love these shoes. I am not going to give you guys an on foot of these. I'm going to give you some B-roll footage, only because you've seen 50 million people do on feet already. So, and I really kind of just want to get this video out to you today before, yeah, the end of the day. So y'all be easy. Congratulations to everybody who was able to cop. Hopefully they, you know, do a little restock for you all who weren't able to cop. And until next time, peace.